YouTube, what's up? It's your girl Ash, and I am back with another video. Before I get into this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to turn on that notification bell. Alright, so I'm going to be doing a unboxing review featuring my boy Lawrence RBE, who is part of the Rare Breed Battle Rap League. If you're a battle rap fan, if you're not a battle rap fan, if you haven't subscribed to their YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe to their YouTube channel, and the link will be in the description below. And I also will drop the link to Lawrence's personal YouTube channel, so you can definitely subscribe to his YouTube channel below. So let's get into these black Giuseppes that he wore, and that at first I didn't like, but now I do like. He wore these casual black Giuseppes to the Adrian Broner fight, Adrian Broner versus Jesse Vargas fight. He was in the building for that one. So let's get into this review. We have the Giuseppe box here with the Giuseppe signature. We also have the dust bag with the Giuseppe signature as well. He bought these sneakers from Saks Fifth Avenue. I will have the link in the description below if you're interested. The sneakers should run about $600, so make sure you got them coins up. Yeah, so let's get into it. This sneaker has a zipper on the side. It also has the metallic logo on the tongue. It has a rubber sole. The sneaker was made in Italy, and this sneaker right here is in a size 42, which is a 9 in the US. I think these sneakers are dope for like going out. If you don't like wearing shoes, you can definitely wear a nice casual shirt and some nice jeans, and you definitely can pull off that casual look. I mean, this sneaker is definitely nice. Look at that metallic logo. Let me know what you guys think about this sneaker. Make sure you comment down below. I would love to hear your thoughts and opinions on these sneakers. Once again, let me give another shout out to my boy Lawrence RBE for letting me do this unboxing review on these Giuseppes. Make sure you subscribe to his YouTube channel and also RBE's YouTube channel. It will be in the description below. Before I go, make sure you like and subscribe to my channel as well, and turn on that notification bell. Until then, I will see you in another video. Gang, 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 gang. I am out.
Yeah. Whoa. What you call an icon living? Start a record label, Miss Fish just did it. I am just an icon living.